Buenos Aires, Argentina. The home team has just won its 11th World Cup championship. And ecstatic fans litter the field with confetti. The paper gets so thick, it's as blinding as a snowstorm. But when rowdy fans set the ticker tape ablaze, this stadium becomes a powder keg ready to explode. The endless flow of streamers only adds fuel to the inferno. And if it's not extinguished soon, the whole arena could ignite. Fans near the epicenter try to escape the searing heat. Except for one avid spectator who decides to take matters into his own hands. Thankfully, firefighters move in to douse the flames before anyone is hurt. But this charged stadium will need to undergo a